Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about the altcoin Dogecoin. If you guys have not been paying attention to the Dogecoin chart in the past 24 hours or the 48 hours, you missed out on a very big rally, and at the same time the pullback is about to be greater and the bull run is just starting off. Before we get into the more of that, if you guys are new to the channel, do want to stay up to date with everything to do with Dogecoin, I highly recommend you scroll down and tap the red subscribe button. While you're there, also go ahead and slap a like on the video. I just want to see how many people still support Dogecoin. If you support Dogecoin, slap a like on it. Let's go for 181 likes. If we smash that, that would be incredible. Other than that, let's get into it. So to begin with today's video, first of all, let's look at the 1 hour chart of Shiba Inu. If we look at the zigzag line, you guys can see that the big spike we did officially have, it obviously took us all the way to 34 cents. Now, one thing that a lot of people have forgotten is, you might not remember, but a couple of months ago, about 3 months ago, we did have a very strong support which was actually formed close to 33. But what happened is, at this point when we actually reached 33, it decided to act as a resistance. Now this resistance brought us back, and obviously there was a lot of people that decided to sell Dogecoin at the same time. Now at this point, if we just look at the chart in the recent time, which is the past 24 hours, we can clearly see that the chart did have a small pullback, but it's starting to form a very strong consolidation period near the 30-cent mark. Now keep in mind that the past 2 months for Doge were a little harsh, because we did get very strongly stuck between the 23 and 24 cent mark, and especially the 22. Now seeing that after the huge spike that came in due to the big sale that one of the Shiba Inu investors decided to do and pull all that money into Dogecoin, we still don't know if it was the same person or just coincidentally they did it at around the same time. But after that, the small pullback due to obviously the whales deciding to sell actually did not take us all the way back to 25. We are finding a support close to 28, which is really good, because from here we do not have to start from step 1. We need to go ahead and start from this point on, which is 28. We can actually play off the support. 28 was actually a very strong resistance that Dogecoin was supposed to break, but now it has turned into a support that we will be able to play off. We also look at the RSI. You guys can see it is in the dead center. It is not oversold or overbought. It is doing very incredible. And looking at our boys at the Candler channel, you can see it is also showing a very strong indication that we have entered a strong consolidation period. Now another very interesting thing which you guys might have noticed is it's starting to form a very interesting symmetrical triangle, but it's not very clear. You can see from here to here and from here to here, it's starting to form a symmetrical triangle, but it's not very clear, which is not a great thing, but still it's better than not having any sort of indication in terms of where Dogecoin is going. If you do not know, when a symmetrical triangle closes in, usually the outcome becomes an uptrend, not a bull run. There is a big difference between the two. For a bull run, it goes completely parabolic and just keeps going up. For an uptrend, it usually starts going up rather than just staying in the same place. Now, if you guys remember yesterday when we talked about Dogecoin, there was some indication that Tesla will start accepting cryptocurrency as form of payment again. They did not mention which one. They did not say specifically Bitcoin or anything like that. So at this point, we can mention one very important thing. You guys remember about 4 to 5 months ago, Elon decided to go ahead and say, hey boys and girls, do you want Dogecoin to be accepted at Tesla? And after that, nothing was done, but a lot of people wanted that, and Elon, you guys know, likes to stick to his words. So maybe Tesla might be making an announcement that Dogecoin is being accepted at Tesla. If that happens, it is going to go insanely parabolic. Something else which is very interesting and really good that Elon did is Elon Musk raises awareness of crypto scams as Dogecoin reflips Shiba Inu. If you guys do not know, on YouTube, if you have been watching a lot of Dogecoin or Shiba Inu videos, in your recommended, there will be just random live streams which have like 10,000 people watching. They close the chat so you're not able to type anything, but you will will be able to go ahead and send your Doge or Shiba to a specific address, and they claim that they will be sending you double back. All of that is scam. None of them are real. And then our boy Billy actually decided to go ahead and tweet at Elon, and he responded by saying, if I send you 2 Doge, will you promise to send me 1 Doge? Obviously hinting towards the fact that do not fall for those scams. And this article was actually made on the specific tweet, which I will show you. But before I show you that, I just want to say, imagine how strong Elon's statements are, that they usually just become the headline of any article that comes out for the next 24 hours. And they're talking about this tweet. So Billy tweeted out saying, there are no promises in crypto except from scammers. The people telling you the truth will tell you that it's just all about risk. Your profit only comes from other people taking their own risk. If you lose money, you paid for someone else's risk. Ultimately, that is your choice. And then you guys can see Elon responded by saying, if I send you 2 Doge, will you promise to send me 1 Doge? And you guys can see it has close to 50,000 likes, showing that a lot of people are deciding to get on the fact that, hey, those scams are super annoying and a lot of people are losing money. So if you're watching this video, just take this one very important note. Never send your crypto to anyone unless it is yourself or someone you trust and you know in real life. Be very careful because there are a lot of scammers out there. Now, talking about the price analyst, you guys can see COINBASE came out with an article saying Doge price analyst, Dogecoin weekly and daily price charts signal rise in demand. Will it recapture the top meme crypto spot? I mean, it has already done so, and at the same time, we might be breaking an all-time high very quickly and very soon with Dogecoin the way we are going at, because it did have a small pullback, keep in mind that, but at the same time it is not going back down, so there could be a small consolidation period before we start climbing back up very quickly. So now it is just that wait and watch type of situation that is happening with Dogecoin. In the next couple of weeks it is going to be very interesting. By the end of the year we can have some crazy things happen and Dogecoin could literally slap $1 overnight. We do not know. I mean, Shiba has done some crazy things, Doge has done it in past, so I would not be surprised if it happens again. Another very interesting article that was posted by AMB Crypto, as you guys can see, mapping Dogecoin path to 44 cents. Dogecoin was back among the gains after recording a 27% jump over the past 24 hours. More importantly, Doge breached the upper trend line and purred for the extended rally. The coming days would see Doge challenge some critical prices area to maximize its value. In case Doge bulls can gather numbers above 38, expect Doge to tag its ultimate price ceiling at 44. Man, I'm just excited. Honestly, it can be happening anytime soon. We could just be waiting and it could just start exploding overnight, and even it could be in 2 to 3 hours. We cannot predict it until it is 100%. Now, final price prediction, which I love, is FX Street. Dogecoin price can hit $1 if Doge can clear one critical hurdle. Dogecoin price broke out of a massive descending triangle pattern on October 18th. Among Doge rallied 46% after the breakout. It stuck under the 25.234 supply zone. As decisive close above its barrier will suggest that the meme coin has 220% gains on the table. So at this point, boys, it's just holding and making sure that we do not let go of it. Other than that, thank you so much for watching the video till the end. Hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, do want to stay up to date with everything, I highly recommend you scroll down and tap the red subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.